How to delete files from OneDrive. Running out of storage or need to tidy up? Here's how to delete files from OneDrive, either online or from your PC. Open the File Explorer and click on OneDrive folder on the left. Navigate the file or folder that you want to remove. Right-click and choose Delete, or simply click the Delete key. The file goes to OneDrive recycle bin. To permanently delete, go to OneDrive.com, click Recycle Bin on the left, and then choose Empty Recycle Bin. Since I don't have any deleted folders here, the empty recycle bin won't show here. Deleting from OneDrive is that easy. Free up space and keep only what matters. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.